What's up, y'all? It's Tyson here. So I've took like a year break off of pretty much freaking work, like working like once a month. I don't know why, but anyhow, I'm back at it. I'm broke. I gotta make money. The economy's slowing down, so I've been off of the YouTube and the Twitters and the Instagram machine and Snapchat. My girlfriend made me get off that. But if you want to come here and look what we're doing, not fun at all, but we gotta pay for Christmas and pay for bills and whatnot. Get in the hole! Oh. Get angry, yeah! Let me hear you roar. Look at the camera and roar. There you go. Oh, yeah. Well, y'all, I'm a lot uglier than I thought I was. Golly. We had to dig through a bunch of rocks on this one, and it took forever, so we just didn't video this one. But we got it. We broke the rocks up. Wow, I'm ugly. I hope I'm not breaking y'all's phones or computer screens. Don't really know who's watching YouTube and all that stuff on the computer anymore. We're not, but not hating you if you do. Now I'm just rambling on. So anyhow, we just got done with it. Pretty, looks good. Good little view right here for we're in the hood too, but it's got a pretty view overlooking the river. Nashville is right that way. Oh, there's the pile of junk that people threw in the yard for the homeowner to pick up. And there's Jackson. There's Fast and Furious again. It's a different Fast and Furious. So anyhow, we're almost done here. Quick little job. If you're the builder, it took us forever.